These days, everyone has become a health freak. I mean, in our own office, we've started some yoga classes. And to play that theme, you like a stock like Talwalkars. But the argument to that is the story is known. I mean, the earnings have been good so far. Most of it has played out. What is the trigger for Talwalkars going ahead?
Yeah, the reason I looked at some time back Talwalkars, the stock price came down to some 190. You know, the perception of the in the marketplace was declining. It was not a good perception about the company because they were failing to deliver. Again, patience could be the issue here. It's a capex style company, and you are very much right, Sonia. I think it's a futuristic business. A lot of youngsters today in in 20s and 30s, their work style is pointing towards the doctors may start prescribing Talwalkars instead of medicine. So that can be the future, and I think it's a leadership company in that segment in this country, in a country with 1.2 billion people. So I feel it has a long way to go, and it's at a decent balance sheet. Promoters seems to be very passionate. So I like Talwalkars, but there is no hurry for people to buy it today because I'm talking it on the TV, because this will be available at your comfort. So there are such a lot of, as I told you, that I am seeing 1,000 companies in this country, in this economy, worth buying, and it can give you 25-30% CAGR for next 5 years and 10 years. So why not our Indian investors put more money into equities in the coming days?
Okay. The other one, that you've been bullish on is Adlabs. Again, same question that Sonia asked. Incrementally, what's the trigger for Adlabs from here? Yeah,
Anuj, it's a good question. Adlabs again is a company which is recently been abandoned by the market. Again, there is an issue when the stock price goes up. People love the management. They will say it's great ethical management. And for some reason, if the stock price goes below IPO and it goes down, the whole thing changes. So it's all management data. And the whole perception about the company and the management and even the business model changes. So I think we have a comparable stock, very high quality, excellent balance sheet company, Wonderla. So this is a company, it has a fantastic business model. They have just one property, but the stock is at around 600 crores market cap. But there is again no hurry to buy the stock. It's going to take time. Today, Indian market, the market participants want numbers to come. Then only they look at the stock. So then it becomes expensive and people buy at very high levels, to get over fancied. So I always used to advise investors, look for, companies which are ignored. And this theme of Adlabs and, Talwalkars came to me because I was searching companies which have done very high level of capex in the last 2 or 3 years' time. And on that capex, numbers are yet to come. So this is a theme, not only these two companies. I'm telling you, you can identify at least 30, 40 very good companies, especially in the mid-cap, where these companies have done very good market cap, very good capex. And I have seen some of those companies have done capex more than the market cap today and reasonable debt. So those numbers are going to come this year or next year or after 2 years. So that is called value investing. That is where you can create multi-baggers. And the stock may be not in fancy today because numbers are not there. So this is a theme I am presenting. Even Adlabs, maybe you can buy, you have enough time, maybe next 1 year, sometime you can buy it and hold it. There is no hurry to buy a stock at this point of time. Because it takes time, and other market participants may not participate because there is no numbers yet. It may take 1 year or more to make a break even. That's the business model they have. This is again a business, as Sonia told, this is something for the health freaks to relax. When you do anchoring for such long time every day in the studio, it makes sense to go to Adlabs, Imagica during the weekend. It's something doctors may prescribe after some time.